start pumping out on the streets. The traffic starts jumping with folks like me on a job from 9 to 5. Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. Barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. You just use your mind. They never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5. For service and devotion, you would think that I would deserve a better promotion. Want to move ahead, but the boss won't seem to let me. I swear sometimes that man is out to get me. They let you dream just to watch him shatter. You're just a step on the boss man's ladder, but you got dreams he'll never take away. Same boat with a lot of your friends. The day your ship will come in, time to turn and talk.
Tadi tinggal tadi. 아이디 트랙터 라고. 바이바이. 고마워.
I drove my tractor through your haystack last night. I threw me pitchfork at your dog to keep quiet. Now something's telling me that you're avoiding me. Come on now, darling, you got something I need. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. She made I laugh. I'll stick by you, I'll give you all that you need. We'll have twins and triplets, I'm a man built for speed. And you know I'll love you, darling, so give me your hand. One thing I want the most is all the acres of land.
Baby.
I got a brand new combine
거지. 이거네? 아하, 그 맛이 없으니 좋은데? 거시긴 맛이 가네? 어디 거시 언제겠네, 발만? 거시. 아니, 거시고 맛이 가는 언제겠네?
I'll give up drinking Strumpy and that larder and lime. 'Cause I got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Who loves it, baby? Ha! when we grand couple at that last Wurzel dance. Oh, you wore brand new gaiters and me corduroy pants. In your new Sunday dress, with your perfume smelling grand. We had our photos took in a sold in end. Now I ain't got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. Now that we both past our 50s, I think that you and me should stop this gallivanting, and we should stop this gallivanting, and will you marry me? 'Cause I ain't got a brand new combine harvester, and I'll give you the key. You're a fine-looking woman, and I can't wait to get my hands on your land.